Hello students, let's quickly go through a short summary. India is a civilization where extraordinary diversity exists alongside a deep inner unity, beautifully described by thinkers like Tagore and Sri Aurobindo as the harmony of the one in the many. Anyone traveling across India will immediately notice the variety in landscapes, clothes, food, scripts, and languages, a diversity revealed in the Anthropological Survey of India's study of 4,635 communities, 325 languages, and 25 scripts. Yet beneath these differences lies a strong cultural connection that binds the nation together. Food is a good example. Though India has thousands of regional dishes, the staple grains, rice, wheat, barley, bajra, jowar, ragi, and many dairies are common across the country, as are spices like turmeric and cumin, creating unity through shared ingredients and diversity through countless recipes. Clothing shows the same pattern. The sari, a single unstitched length of cloth, appears in almost every region, yet its varieties such as Banarasi, Kanjivaram, Paithani, Patola, or Muga silk reflect local skills in weaving, dyeing, and printing. The sari's many draping styles and creative uses highlight both the unity of one garment and the diversity of its expression. Festivals also show this blend. For example, Makara Sankranti is celebrated across India on or around the same date, but with different names, customs, and foods. Lohri in Punjab, Pongal in Tamil Nadu, Uttarayan in Gujarat, and Bihu in Assam. Literature provides a powerful illustration of cultural unity across languages. The Panchatantra, a 2,200-year-old Sanskrit collection of animal stories teaching life lessons, has been retold in over 200 versions in more than 50 languages within and beyond India. Even more influential are the Ramayana and the Mahabharata, India's great Sanskrit epics, which narrate the struggles of Rama against Ravana and the war between the Pandavas and the Kauravas, while teaching ethical values. For over 2 millennia, these epics have been translated, adapted, and recreated in almost every Indian language and region. There are hundreds of folk versions, from Tamil Nadu to the Himalayan states. Tribal communities such as the Bhils, Gonds, Mundas, and Santals have preserved their own retellings, often connecting the epic heroes to their local geography and traditions. Across India, countless sacred places, folk songs, and legends claim visits by the Pandavas or Rama, forming a cultural network that unites distant regions through shared stories. This constant retelling across centuries and communities created one of the world's most extensive webs of cultural exchange. Indian classical arts, including music, dance, architecture, and painting, also display similar patterns of unity and diversity. Different regional styles flourish, yet all follow shared aesthetic principles and symbolic foundations. Taken together, these examples show that while India's diversity is vast, it does not create separation. Instead, it enriches the shared cultural identity. The unity of India has never been about sameness, but about recognizing the common threads that run through varied languages, foods, dresses, stories, and celebrations. This unity is not imposed from above, but grows naturally from India's cultural spirit, where differences are respected, creativity is encouraged, and everything is connected through a deeper harmony. Thus, India stands as a civilization where diversity strengthens unity and unity nourishes diversity, truly expressing the idea of many in the one. Thank you for watching. Learn smarter and practice better. Download our app.